Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. Now, Rdbx has had an explosive move here. Even though it doesn't seem like a lot, that is a pretty big move, anywhere between 10 to 20% on any stock in the current market conditions. And some can speculate that this is a dead cat bounce or the beginning or the next leg up for the next momentum if the bulls can actually put pressure. And we broke down some key levels yesterday, and I stated it was at a key support level based off the charts and the full transition on 42 Vision. We're going to break it all down in today's video. I'm going to share with you guys some data points. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive the clarity and edge 42 Vision and the bots bring, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected over to 42 Vision indicators, and you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was SIDU. And we caught this one in the pre-market under full strength here on 42 Vision, under a bull indicator, and the strength continued towards the bell, and even after the bell, giving two highest points of 40% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and the 42 Vision indicators. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, it has done a complete transition on 42 Vision. What is it that I mean by that? Well, 42 Vision allows us to see the dip areas, which is white with red borders, and the rip areas when it goes into bright green. And when we zoom out here on the chart, you could see the last time we hit a dip area was way back here on June 1st. And once it hit that dip area, from that moment forward, it went into full strength multiple times, hitting the bright green areas. And now we hit a full transition into bright green consecutively for 2 days. And then the full transition has happened on the way back down on the 30-minute, right? You could see that bright green area to white with red borders. And I stated we are at a dip area that this could actually try to break out from or consolidate down here based off the 30-minute. But we also need to look at the bull and bear indicators, which give us extra layers of confirmation beyond what the charts show here between the transitions on 42 Vision, right? So let's go ahead and pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction within the volatility by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Rdbx. It's back under a bull indicator after having a bear indicator. And when you zoom out here back to this dip area, there has been multiple areas of full transitions of bull and bear indicators confirming the whole entire move. But in the bigger picture, bull indicators have dominated from this dip area to this rip area the most, right? The bear indicators were short-lived and they were either in consolidation periods until this bear indicator that popped up on June 13th, which we were looking for, and it did pop up, rolled over into today. And what we were looking for from yesterday to today was for this to get canceled out by a bull indicator, guys. Now we need to watch this carefully because this could be the setup for the next bull run, right? A lot of people are speculating this could go a lot higher. And when I share with you guys here on the screen some of the data points that I was concerned about, which is actually what allowed the shorts to actually make this go ahead and fall this quickly, was the days to cover. And as you see it popping up on the screen, I shared it with you guys. I look forward to seeing your thoughts about this. Is it higher than this or lower than this or around these numbers again? And what is it that you're seeing on your end? We already know that the short interest is no longer 200%. There has been some readjustments there. Ortex actually put that out. Thank you for all of you guys that actually confirmed that in yesterday's video. And here we are with the days to cover below 0.20 at 0.10 and 0.14. What is it that you're seeing on your end? Because this days to cover being so low is what allows the shorts to allow it to go up, but just as quickly bring it back down, because they can re-short and re-enter and actually get out of their positions as many times as they want with a flexibility to dominate over the chart. I think this is very important for investors to be aware of this, because shorts can use this to their advantage no matter how high the short interest is of the float. I mean, now we got the numbers that Ortex has shown. If you want to confirm this down below as well, you can. It's over 100%. So the short interest is still an insane amount, right? And then we also have the borrow fee rate up hundreds of percent as well. But that days to cover is what allows things to move this quickly to the downside, because they can actually re-short and then get out of their position, short again, and they're the ones making these moves and swings happen. But a lot of people are stating, based off Ortex data, shorts have not covered yet, but we always want to remember some of this data is up to 2 days delayed, even though they try to get the information as accurate as possible and their estimates. But the stock is holding up pretty strong, above $9. And we talked about how important this support is based off the history of the chart and where it's at. And we wanted on the 30-minute this bear indicator to get canceled by a bull indicator. And we also had done a full transition into white with red borders. And eventually we would try to come back up with red with green borders, dark green. And the last part of this transition after the bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation would be bright green bars. That's the one piece that's missing. It's not guaranteed to happen, but it does follow up after a bull indicator confirmation and if the strength is real. So we need to talk about resistance and supports here based off the chart, but I want to show you guys the larger time frames and also the 15-minute within the volatility, because 42 vision, whether you're a swing trader, day trader, or long-term trader, there's opportunities for everyone to receive this clarity and edge and maximize within the moves. I don't think volatility is going anywhere. Not financial advice, but my opinion and perspective alone. And within the volatility, you want to receive such clarity and edge in either direction. So we were under a bull indicator since way down here at $4 since May 24th, 25th area. And things started to go up, consolidated, and took off between last Friday and this Monday. Now, yesterday we hit our first red bar, and the last time we did this, we consolidated and came back up, and no bear indicator. So this right here, I like to call it the setup before the next bull run if the bull indicator dominates. But we are now starting to move downwards like the last bull run that happened in April from $2 up to $11. And we're coming back down. We got a bear indicator and things came back down towards the 2s. Now, it's not guaranteed to do the same thing. Short interest is a lot higher. The borrow fee rate is a lot higher. And a lot more people are aware of Rdbx. But we are coming from highs to the downside, and we got a bear indicator. Not just red bars, but quickly a bear indicator, okay? So super important to realize the one big difference in the last two pullbacks compared to this one is we went straight from bright green to red bars to a bear indicator on the second bar. And in the last two transitions downwards, we at least hit bright green with red borders before going into red bars and before even a bear indicator popping up on the 1-day chart. Now, on the 4-hour, we could see here that things are trying to come back up from red bars to green bars, but we did cancel out this last bull indicator from way down here in June 7th at around $6.50, and the bear indicator popped up yesterday in the pre-market. Red bars back to back consecutively, but it's trying to transition here and come back up with green bars. We need them to go into bright green, and specifically a transition like this right here where this bull indicator popped up and the bright greens continued, right? We want to see that full strength to cancel out this bear indicator, which is the one that canceled the most recent bear indicator before the run. Now, none of this is guaranteed. We need to watch it carefully. These are the main things I'm watching on the bigger time frames on 42 vision as this continues to fight within the volatility. And back to the 30-minute, you could see we are under a bull indicator. Slight consolidation here, trying to hold itself up above $10.50. We're going to talk about support and resistance, but I want to show you guys the 15 minutes. So you could see here, it's been under a bear indicator since June 13th. Full weakness all the way until this consolidation. And today at the bell at around 9:35, it went ahead and got that bull indicator and went all the way up to highs here of almost $12 at $11.97. And that was the full strength there. And it's still holding true. No bear indicator within this consolidation and slight weakness. If not, this is strength. As long as this bull indicator holds true and remains canceling out that last bear indicator and no bear indicator pops up to cancel it, right? So if we pull up here the 30-minute, we can really see how there's a support here trying to be formed and this bull indicator is trying to hold up. So the first support level here is 1061. I would just round that down to 1050. 1050 is a key support level. If that gets broken through, the next level I'll be watching is down here at $10. And below that, it would be the lowest point that we've seen, which was $8.94, $8.95, give or take. And to the upside, we want to talk about resistance. And this is a key resistance level rejecting here where it rejected yesterday, where it was trying to hold itself up before collapsing even lower. And today it rejected around that area, and that is $12. We want to break back above $12. If we can accomplish that, the next resistance level above that would be closer to $12.89, $12.90, getting towards the $13 mark. And above that would be back up here towards $14.62. And then we can start talking about higher levels based off the chart's history and where it stands. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.